This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in the Polestar 4 long range, and in this video we can test the headlights. So I heard from Polestar it's supposed to have the same headlights as the Polestar 2, which is the pixel lights, but then he mentioned that it has some 70 or 80 elements. I'm like, hey, wait, but pixel light has more, right? It's like millions of elements, isn't it? So this is why I'm not sure if we have that. Whoa, look at that! Whoa! I'm not sure if we have the same pixel lights as the Polestar, but wow, this is some next level good shit. Oh, that's for sure. Really strong and wide, shines high also. Wow. Wait a second. Check here. It's supposed to rotate or something. Doesn't seem like it does anything there. It seems to be stiff. Wait, that's weird because the Polestar light. Let me move some stuff around here. The Polestar 2 lights, from what I remember, they're supposed to rotate, don't they? These are quite stiff, huh? So maybe they're not exactly the same then. And then okay, so it comes on at higher speed. You see. Wait, what the heck is that? Did I just turn on the steering wheel heater on accident, or what was that? The steering wheel heater is on. I felt it was warmer. Okay, whatever. But let's see. If I do this, okay, nothing happens. All right, let's stop joking around now. So, if I just pull the stock away from me, now this is manual. Okay, this is off, and then this is auto, and then manual. Okay, but we're gonna leave it on auto. Well, actually, maybe just leave it on the manual for now, or just leave it on auto, see what happens. Wow, but this is really good. There you go. Oh, oncoming car. Oh, nice. Look at that. So it blocks it out. Yeah. Just like in Polestar 2, but we're gonna go on another stretch with more traffic. Over here now, it's mostly just to see what it looks like in the dark. But wow, it is good. It is really good. But I wonder, hey, wait, was it the Polestar 2 or the ABRP cars that rotates? No, I'm pretty sure the Polestar 2 also rotated in the direction we were steering against. So, yeah, but what am I looking for here? We're looking for good spread because we go on this roller coasting road and also quite twisty roads. Some of the sharpest curves, I feel like we don't have that superb vision on the direction we're going. But I mean, it's still really good. See, when we go downhill, it shines so high that we can see the road ahead of us. So, man, this is top notch, really. And then check out the farm inspection again. But I suppose once we stop, it will go out of the auto high beam, right? Let me see. Okay, here's the farm. You're gonna just do this, and then, yeah, you see, then it goes like that. So then you just have to pull stock away from us. Wow. Good spread, good strength, good height also. Some other cars, they might have good spread, good strength, but they don't have the height. Here it seems to shine maybe a little bit taller than some other cars even. Yeah, you can see in the trees how far it shines up. Okay, if we pull, okay, now go into auto again. Wow. So yeah, I didn't expect anything else. Swedish cars, like Volvo and Polestar, they have good headlights, even though this car is not manufactured in Sweden, but that's a different story. What is important is that it has been designed by Swedes, just like iPhone is not made in America, is it? But it's like designed in California, manufactured in PRC or something. But yeah, very good. Let's see. But what kind of speed does it turn off the headlights? I mean, the high beam. Seems like once you go below a certain speed, it will just turn off. And also, yeah, now when we have street lights, it also turns off. Which is, well, I guess it's fine. But I prefer to maybe have it on. But I guess in some countries you're not allowed to have it on, like in Germany. So. But I just want, you see, if I had it on, it'd be like this. Yeah, so, Okay, just have an automatic. Let's see when it fires up again after the last street light. Then there, well, kind of late. You see, there, bam, and it comes full on. It doesn't do that animation that most cars will do. Let me see if I go. Wait, what did I do now? If I go low beam here, and when I just do this, it just comes on. Yeah, even though it has matrix lights. But yeah, so far so good, really good. But let's try the matrix capabilities then. Okay, now we are following some traffic. It fire up on the left and the right side. There. Yeah, you know, I can see that we have lower resolution than the Polestar 2. So it was probably true that what this guy said, that we have around 80 elements. I'm not sure if that's 80 elements on each side. But from what I remember, the Polestar 2 had way higher resolution. So you can see I'm just doing this left-right here to see how the car is working to block out. If I do it too fast, then it appears that I'm flashing against the car in front. Let me just show you. See here, you see? That then get it briefly before the car adjusts in time. So yeah, let me try another direction then. But I'm not sure what else to show you. Okay, if I wait, if I try to turn it off, but then I'm afraid I will click the wrong thing and then flash at them. Yeah, but it shines quite nicely on the left and the right side. But once we hit the street light, it should turn off, right? Let me see. Let me pay attention to the dashboard here. There. Now it's off already. Okay, now into the darkness, and then boom, there. Okay, kind of late. You can probably adjust this how quick you want it to get on, but let's see. Now we have oncoming traffic. This is exactly what I'm looking for. It starts blocking out parts of it, and then but then it comes on again. Okay, because of the obstacles, and then off again. Yeah, you can clearly see the big blocks here compared to the Polestar 2. So to me, it feels like a slight downgrade, because the Polestar 2 was just top notch. The pixel lights, versus here, I don't think they call it pixel lights anymore. Yeah, okay. Oncoming traffic, just see what it looks like. And then once the last car is gone, then it should fire up everything. Yeah, there. So, but I mean, on the other hand, is it really necessary to have pixel lights? You know, like the digital light in the EQS. Well, time for a break. You showed signs of being tired. What? Really? Huh? I'm quite focused. I'm just talking and looking at the camera and looking at the road and everything. Huh? What the heck? No, this software is full of bugs. Yeah, there will be an update coming soon. No, let's get on this direction now. I'm gonna follow these guys for a bit. Okay, let's see now. What about the twisty roads here? Just follow these guys. Yeah, you see, fire up the high beam on each side, and then it detects the oncoming traffic. And then, yeah, not only does it have some bugs, but also it seems to have some kind of weird decisions on things, especially in the software, in my opinion. So I'll come back to that in another video. I need to highlight it literally. But yeah, look at it. Oh yeah, I like it. Like, see, it fires up on the right side here behind that Audi, and then also on the left side here. You see, yeah, nicely done. We can spot obstacles. So I'm not sure if the Audi is aware that the pixel lights are being fired up at him. But I see, not actually directly against him, but it's around him, right? Or her, yeah. Could be a woman, who knows. There, and then it fires up again there. So it blocks it nicely without blinding the traffic in front. Yeah. I think maybe we should try to test on the Autobahn also. Okay, now we're getting close to Falkenberg, and the road here is quite straight, and you will see that this car there's the first flash already. This car just fires up the high beam against oncoming. No, look at that, behind the pillar. Oh, gee, there's an oncoming car with LED bar. He doesn't want to turn off his LED bar there. Yeah, I don't know how many times I've been flashed at. But that seems to be actually Polizei. Oh, now we come to the noisy part. But there also, yeah, just that this car doesn't want to turn down the lights until we are a couple of 100 meters away. But then it has quite powerful lights, so then I get flashed at all the time. You see on the next, okay, see it fires up the punchy light now. And then we have a truck coming up. And then let's see how long it takes before this car. Okay, this time it shut down fairly quick. But then we have a little pillar here. There, bam! Full light. And then if the system was smart enough, it wouldn't be so aggressive. And it would guess what's going on, you know? A human would be able to see it right away. But I guess we are not running this on AI, yeah. ChatGPT didn't support this system. Wait, is that a car parked by the road? Yes, it is, without park lights on. We have a bunch of cars oncoming. Let's see how the matrix light works against it. It's able to detect the cars at least. That's good. Doesn't do any weird shit, but yeah, actually, this time it's doing it well. But the other times when I got flashed at, or the car was just flickering the matrix light, then I couldn't catch it in time. Let's see what happens when the last car passes. You see, they're doing some kind of flickering, but it's actually not bad, that bad right now. After the last car passes, bam. Okay, that part is good. Yeah, so far so good. There were oncoming traffic there, far in the distance. See, you see, it does this weird flickering, which could confuse oncoming cars. Plus that it's doing the flickering to the right now, you see? That's a little bit disturbing. I haven't seen other cars do that flickering. It's even worse when you have more signs on the right side of the road. See, now get flashed at on the oncoming car. He has annoyed now. Yeah, then he turns on the lights. Some people don't do that. Or sometimes this car figures out, oh, okay, that oncoming light wasn't that strong. Let's fire up the full beam again. Boom! But yeah, so I mean, overall, it's doing a good job. At least the lights are good, strong, wide, shines wide, and you know, good spread. But the matrix part here, I feel like it's too aggressive, or it's too nervous, or it's too flickering, or wait. There was another car I tried, a Chinese car that also did this weird stuff. Don't remember what it was. Was it a BYD, or was it? I don't remember, but it was a Chinese car, I remember. And it was also somewhat annoying and somewhat cringe the way it worked. And I got flashed at a lot. So, yeah, it loses some points there. So, no, there's still a truck in front of us. No, but, okay, the car couldn't detect the truck. I can see the truck. Maybe you can't, but here, you see, now I can see, okay. Let me just check out what's going on here before we end the video, because there's just so much weird stuff going on, but there's probably no need for me to show everything, otherwise the video is going to be too long. But let's see what happens when we pass a couple of cars. Now that part is usually fine, yeah. Oh, it's actually not a truck, it's just I don't know. Oh, it's those transporter, right? UA, they go into Ukraine with EVs. I bet they are from Norway. They're exporting them from Norway to Ukraine. And there's probably some kind of EV clinic or Valdemar over there, Ukrainian Valdemar, who repairs these cars. Is this another transport? Yeah, also going to Ukraine. 2 e-Golfs. I've seen plenty of these EVs, or these old 10-year-old EVs getting exported to Ukraine. They're probably making good money on it. Yeah, but yeah, Headlight test. you know, on these roads, it flickers. It causes oncoming traffic to flash at me all the time, and it does some weird stuff. It turns down too late, and like I feel like I want to turn off the auto high beam, which is bad because you're supposed to have some kind of matrix to get the best safety, right? So in a way, you know, yeah, the headlights, they can be only as good as the, yeah, you see what I mean? Like if they don't behave well, like here, then you tend to switch them off. And then what is the purpose of good headlights then, right? So yeah, I don't know if I would give it points. Maybe I'll give it 7 out of 10. Do you guys agree? It gets plus point because it's quite strong, but then it gets minus point because it's not behaving well. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.